On this episode of Community Connections, we're on site with DLS Landscape Maintenance in Stillville, Missouri. Let's find out how they enhance any curb appeal. Hi, I'm Kelly Hoey with FCNB Bank. Joining us is Daryl and Brandon Martin, owners of DLS Landscape Maintenance and Drop and Load Service. Welcome, guys. You have both been in the landscaping business for many years. Tell us exactly how you got started.
Well, my dad started, he used to work for a golf course back in the 80s in the St. Louis area. And he worked, had some odd jobs for the, subdivision around. And it got to be, got to grow quite a bit. And around 1994, he decided to quit the golf course and go full-time into landscaping. We worked in the St. Louis area for years. Well, mainly him. I was too young at the time. But in the summers and stuff, I worked with him when I was off school. And we worked in the St. Louis area doing landscapes, worked for several small nurseries doing installs and stuff for them. And we tried, as he got older and I came into the business, we started into the lawn and maintenance side of landscaping. And around 2012, we transitioned from the St. Louis area more local. As gas prices increased and stuff, we wanted to have our business closer to home instead of traveling back and forth to the city. So we transitioned our business down here to the Steelville area. Now we focus mainly from Rolla to Sullivan, the I-44 corridor. And in 2017, we decided to get into the roll-off dumpster business. Saw a need for small roll-offs and stuff, and we're slowly transitioning out of the landscape more toward the roll-off business.
Okay. Daryl, did you want to add anything to that, or did he pretty much cover it all?
He pretty much covered it all.
Okay, so catering to business and personal customers, what types of services do you provide?
Well, on the landscape side, we do full landscape maintenance, so anything from mowing, fertilizing, mulching, we do snow plowing in the winter. And now with the dumpsters, it's just a roll-off dumpster. So you call, we set it up. You can run it for different amounts of time. We come back, pick it up. That's okay. It. Yeah.
As business owners, what does your company focus on?
It's all customer service. We're a small business. It's me and him. We don't have employees, so. It is. If you're calling, it's us. We're on the job. It's all about customer service, quality of work. With our dumpsters, we try to we try to have quick service. If you call us, we want to deliver a dumpster that day, or sometimes the following morning. But it's all about having it when you need it.
Okay. As part of the Stillville area, we know giving back is important to each of you guys. What are some ways in which you guys are involved in the Stillville community?
We've done a few things. I know we've donated some material, some mulch and stuff for small things they've had around the community. We've donated our time planting some trees and whatnot. A few sponsorships and stuff like that.
Okay, great. Well, I know it's greatly appreciated. Your relationship with FCNB began many years ago. How has that experience been for you guys?
Well, it's been great. Like I said, as we've transitioned our business a few times, they've worked with us real well. And with the acquisition of doing the roll-off dumpsters, as I said before, having quick service is a big part of our business. So as we've expanded our business into other areas, we've had to buy new dumpsters. We want to stay one step ahead of what we need. So they've been real good at providing us what we need, as we had to buy new dumpsters to make sure we can provide that service. I call Nate up and he does whatever we need. If it quick turnaround on whether we're needing to buy new dumpsters or new trailers or whatever. It's You know,
Sometimes the dumpsters are hard to get, and when we catch them, we have to buy them.
Yep.
So we call Nate up, and he's always there.
they're good working with us. You know, like I said, we're a small business, so we do all the work as well. So there's times we're working in the Sullivan area. We need to sign paperwork or something. The paperwork's in Sullivan. Hey, we're doing work in Steelville today. Nate sends it to Peggy. You know, they work with us to where we're not inconvenienced. You know, it's been real good to work with them.
Great, we love to hear that. So if someone was interested in any of your guys' services, how would they reach you?
Just give us a call. On the dumpster side, I mean, the number's 573-205-5432. And just call us and get a quote, and we can have a dumpster out to you anytime. On the landscape side, the number's 314-956.
8432.
And we are available as well on Facebook.
Okay.
Both
They can message you on Facebook.
message
that
on
way.
Facebook. Yep.
If someone was interested in obtaining a quote, what is that process?
Just give us a call. Give us a call. We'll set up a time. We'll come up and take a look at what you need. You know, whether it's on the landscape side or a dumpster. You know, whatever you need, just give us a call.
Okay, well, Daryl, Brandon, thank you guys so much for joining us today on Community Connections.
Thank you.